here are the accessories included: a center power supply cable, a build plate, a HEPA air filter, a packet of manuals, replacement film and screen protector, a box of accessories with glove, funnel, USB stick, tool for printer maintenance, a Wi-Fi adapter, a silicone mix scraper, a nipper and a resin filter. Now with the setup done, time to turn the printer on. For this model, they have hide the on-off button behind the screen panel. Now I will remove the VAT and show how it works. Their VAT original come with CFPF film. As for the auto filling sensor, the pin here will be contacting with the VAT for resin level detection. And here is where the resin will be dripped down and filling the VAT. It also comes with a simple basin to catch the resin to prevent the resin to drip into the machine. For this, I'm gonna use red clay color standard resin, also by Uniformation. Now I'm gonna insert the USB drive with some file that I prepared for printing. With the drive now loaded, now to select the file I'm going to print. As the printing process is starting, as now there's no resin in the VAT, the printer will start filling the VAT. And now we will wait the printing process to finish. So with the printing done, now let's take a look of the result of the prints. Here's some calibration print that I made. All details come out perfectly without failure, as I'm showing you here right now. Now here's the result of the figure I have printed. The print come out really clean. The texture also come out very clearly as shown here. If you are interested in this figure, you can check out the link in the description. I would say I like this printer very much. If you are looking for a fast printer, then this printer might not be suitable for you. However, it excels in the quality of life this printer really gives. and I also really like the print result of this printer. It's very clear and crisp. However, if you are looking for a fast printer, then this printer might not be suitable for you. However, this printer really makes it up if it is really nice quality of life implementation, such as the build plate hook that you can use after the print is finished to drip off the excess resin on the prints, or easy to remove wet for maintenance, or changing the wet for other materials. It also supports long-range file transferring with Wi-Fi and also Ethernet connection. So I would recommend this printer for the people that really wants a nice smooth experience on printing process.